Kumli pi baro ngi priang subhai pi syakani ketup kubor menta ka janmit. Sya bengin sedang tunginya pai sya syikimat ki bakongsan. Penbenar ka Sarkar Meghalaya ye ki shpotli ki district kum ki green zone. La sya ekalit kawan na ki district ang usembut menteri ramba ka jela ubak Presiden Tinsong. Rai ka kinhun menteri ban ai jingrap pisa syaki waypoint prapusau lakmut inong bela haka jela syajid ubak Wilfred Club uhe IAS pala syongtai kum komisioner ban sekretari nat ai na kabentang rubunan. No sinyang MLA ka South Shillong ubak Sanbor Shulai daki PPE ki mask ki hand sanitizer bat ki wei ki tiap. But klan no uting shop mapawnam ka Bollywood ku Rishi Kapoor hakarata bahan rupnyo hak sengulam u Presiden u Vice Presiden bat u Menteri Ramba du alor ke jingyang. Haswa ban poish ka kubor babnya niwara api ya ka kubor babha babaro prangut ki nong yo baningkong ya ka klam jingpang COVID-19 ki badai na ka ju ka long yeng bakila koit na ka jingpang corona hadin bala dep test biang ya ki sampel jongki bakim dan shu ya kene ka jingpang. Haka Twitter u Menteri Rangba u Konrad K. Sangma ula penbenai kenika yakni hadin bala tes biang yaki hadin arpsau kenta kata hadin baka sampel baningkong bab ka penpau ba amdan ya ke jingpang syu kat kum ki kendon la penbena bakila kot na ke jingpang COVID-19. Ka Sarkar Meghalaya kala pentep ba shipau na ki khatwaitli ki district akajala kum ki green zones bat kala sha ekale kawan hapdeng kini ki district. La shim ya kini karai hadin ba shim la don ba yo e kajingpang COVID-19 na kini ki district. Baro kan arngut baki ki ba yo e kajingpang COVID-19 na kajala ba kentup ya uwei ubala klat no kidei na kanong ba Shillong ka bahap apo ka East Khasi Hills district. Like na ki East Khasi Hills district baro shpau talip ki wei pat ki district ha kajala ki hap apo ka green zone. Haba pentik kanai kani usimbut Menteri Rangba ba Presiden Tinsong hani ka singi ulayat hu bala sya ekalit kawan hapne kini ki district ki bahap apo ka green zone halor ka kindon ba amsya banyat lingba ka East Khasi Hills district ka bahap apo ka red zone.
Out of 11 districts, 10 districts is in the green zone. So these 10 districts, government feel that inter-district movement should takes place, and then the order on this account has also already been issued to all the respective deputy commissioners. So they work out the modalities, as I said to you. But of course, the only problem is they cannot pass through the red zone because till today, Shillong agglomeration is the red zone.
Kakinhon Menteri Henin Kasngi kalap tiang ya katup kerteng jongki iway point prapasal lakmut kinong balasngi man ay jingirap pisay ki nakabenta laytayo. Isembut Menteri Rangba kajala ubak Presiden Tinsong ulayat hu hakinong tok kubor baladap ban penrung kerteng silak prapasal hajar sispa prapasal ngut kinong bala hakabakin yo mar news pa tingka hakashitayo bad uway pa uway unyo ar hajar sispa tingka hakilaytayo nado ka ar pulay tarig ubanay leber hado ka katsaw tarig ubanay yayong. Kakinhun Menteri kala pedang ru ban penjelan ya kapor ban siu ke khajna na benta ki petrol pump hado ka katsantrik ubenai jemang. Kakinhun Menteri kala pedang ya ke jing ai jingmut jong katanat personal ban tung yu he IAS ubalong ubala syongthaj uba Wilfred Club kum u commissioner ba sekretari katanat ain na benta henry ubenai.
Menta kasngi ngilawan ra ya ka final list ka bapoi silak prapusau hajar sispa prapusau ngut ka kabinet kala approve ya kene ka list ban disburse len ban sam ya kineki jingarap ke bakerpang ke bangi ai news pa tengka sitayo ya uwei u laborer ya ka filing of returns but clearing of taxes, sale of petroleum and petroleum products baki day ban clear hapo ka khatsan tarik jong ubnai me ar hajar arpo
Kipulit keribhoy kilalap ya sanpu prangut kinong tray banabar ke jela ki berang persang ban lecha asam hakamit sni baar lakem yaki da kipulit ke jela habernihat hakajaka bakile eka screening kini kinong bela kila wan pet no na East Jaintia Hills bat ki trei bela ha kasnong bindi hati hadin bela tokit banyak lalap baki wan na ka East Jaintia Hills katkum katolong kubor na ki pulit ka East Jaintia Hills layatu ba la dep ban tokit halor kani la pentep ru babaro ki sanpu prangut kidai ki bana ka jala Bihar bat mentala pensyong yaki ha ka quarantine center ha klirian haba pensyai kani u deputy commissioner ka East Jaintia Hills uba FM Dopt ula yatu ba kini ki breu ki trekum ki misreading ki nong bela bat ki parma bat ki wei
but 58 of them who are camped or who stays at the rented houses, their camps at Bandihati, made an attempt to go to their state, that is Bihar state. We came to know after inquiry that they have gone through these empty vehicles that carries different goods, whether it's gas, whether it's essential goods. They're coming via the Ratashara check gate. So they have been returned, and now they have again been asked to settle at their own camps, at their own.
UMLA ka South Shillong uba Sanbor Shulai henni ka sngi ula sami ki PPE ki mask ki hand sanitizer ki infrared thermometer bat ki dawai shekishnong ki thau banyakun ya ka jingpang COVID-19 habakran hakani ka sngi ula ong baki nong tre asha bat ki wei ki nong tre ki bahaban tur nakman haka banyakun persai ka jingpang COVID-19 ki don kam ban doni ki infrared thermometer ban tip ya ka jingshit jongki nongpang bat khnang bakin la ban tokit ban lap ya ki bayo ya kani ka jingpang COVID-19 haba keren bat ka Didi News uba Shulai ula ong ba ula sam ya ki dawai dashin ban penkhut ya ka umbam umdi bat ban penyap ya ki knyang jingpang.
These are infrared thermometers, and of course these are so this one we pointed in the forehead. So what we have seen that most of the poor people, they cannot afford all these materials, and we have come up with the idea, but with my members of the MCIC 19 South Shillong constituency to distribute the following materials. We are having hand spray, then we are having hand sanitizer, then mask, then factor-free tablets, hand gloves, raincoat, PPE kits, screening kits, machine, and goggles.
Ka office jong usim ka Hima Nongston hinin kasi kala no senyang silak tingka siya ka Chief Minister's Relief Fund panyakun persya ka klam COVID-19 ha ka jela. La IT ya ka check da usim ka Hima Nongston upa EP's aim siya MLA ka Nongston constituency uba Macmillan Bersat ha ka office trikam jong usim ka Hima Nongston.
For generously contributing this on behalf of the government and on behalf of the Chief Minister, I would like to give my special thanks to him and his daughter of Nongston Chiefship, apart or besides from the service that the Hima have rendered to the government, particularly the Soldier Headman and the Rembashnong in combating the spread of coronavirus in the state of Meghalaya.
Katanat District Agriculture Klasamya Katsantli ki Korlur Lingka lene ki power tiller syaki nongrep ha West Jaintia Hills sa kasngi baar lale ekni ban kentiwe ka jingpindan kam ki tiar ka juk start menta ha kapor badan ka jingpak hangsnong hapo ka scheme submission on agricultural mechanization SMAM hapo kani ka scheme na terwa ban thawe ka village level farm machinery bank VLFMB ka custom hiring centers CHC bat ki high tech hubs HTH kenang ban pensok ya ke jing penyo ki tiarap dakwa pendangkam ya ke teknologi ha karep karyang layatu assistant director katanat karep karyang uba si Shabong. Uklur ak film ka Bollywood Rishi Kapoor ula klat no menta kasngi hakarata ka ba 100 punyo snam ha Mumbai lara yo sha hospital hinin kasngi hadin ka jing klat no jong uniu tingshop ki bahing basam jong kila kerpat ya ki lok ki jor bat ki nongkershan ban buram ya ki hukum ka penjari menta ha ka jing kentho bala penmi da ka ying kasam ka yathu ba kanik ka kenta jong ka jingdu no kisnguru ba ka perthai ka non hapadeng ka jing e bat ka jing yale ulayo pedang ya ka kusnam National Film Award hakapor bu dang kena haka film Mera Naam Joker u Presiden kari u Ramnath Kovind u Vice President u M Venkaya Naidu bat u Menteri Rang Bak Do kari u Narendra Modi kila phai ki jing sngolam halor ka jing khlat no jong u ni u ting shop Shawan phai ki bakut jong ni khubor ngit pe choi ki mat bakong san Penbena ke Sorkan Meghalaya ki Shiphautli ki district kum ki green zone la sha ki ya ka jingle jingwan hapni ki district ong usembut Menteri Rang Bak ke Jela ubak Preston Tinsong Rai ke kinhun Menteri ban ai jingirap pisa syaki iway point prapusau lak mut kinong bela ke Jela sha jid ubak Wilfred Club u he IAS bala Shongthai kum u commissioner bat secretary ka tengat ai na ke bentahan ru benai No senyang u MLA ke South Shillong ubak Sanbor Sulai deki PPE ki mask ki hand sanitizer bat kiwe ki tiar. Bat klat no upting shop bapaunan ke Bollywood u Rishi Kapoor hakarta bahan ru kunyau. Pak semulam Presiden u Vice President bat Menteri Rang Bak Do kari halur kani rejimnya. Te parlok atu ngilapoi syabakut jo kani katap kubor jengi mentah ke jenmit hado bengnya syambiang bat pi lesai kesengi kublei pi baro.